Stop scrolling. Your search for the most easiest and super delicious matka kulfi ice cream is over. Introducing ingredients that are easily available at home. All you need is 3 ingredients, that is dry fruit, some bread slices and milk to make, and the toughest part is waiting for it to set. But before moving into the recipe, let's welcome you to our channel Pinch of Everything, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. First we need to blend the dry fruits. So we need a blender, and now we are going to add almonds, cashew and pistachios. And if you don't like any of the dry fruit, you can totally skip it. It's completely fine. Now in the same blender we are going to add some sugar in it. Now blend the mixture coarsely. We need the texture of the nuts in it. It has to be like coarse texture. While you are going to have kulfi, you feel the richness of the nuts in it. So please make sure you don't puree it. Now we are going to take 4 slices of bread. Trim the sides of the bread, and you can cut the pieces of the bread, or you can simply grind it in the mixer jar. Grind the bread slices along with the cashew nuts fine powder which we have made earlier. Now in the same grinding jar, add 2 glasses of milk and grind them all together. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of ghar ki malai, fresh cream, and if you don't have that, you can add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Now we are going to add some saffron milk along with some cardamom powder for the flavor. Grind all together finely. Now you can pour into kulfi molds, or you can serve in the matkas which is available, or mitti ka matka, whichever is available with you, and cover it with foil paper and secure it with a rubber band, and you can freeze it for around 6 to 7 hours or until it's set. Few things we can consider while making this kulfi. Instead of sugar, you can use condensed milk for more creamier taste. Adjust the quantity of sugar as your requirement. You can add few drops of rose water for flavor. And also adding kesar will also enhance the flavor of kulfi. However, it's completely optional. And finally, bread kulfi recipe tastes great when prepared with fresh bread. And I'm sure you are going to love this recipe, and please do try this recipe at home, and please do share your valuable feedback with us. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook with the name Pinch of Everything Official. After 8 hours, the kulfi has set completely and is ready to serve. And I have to say, it has no ice crystal and amazingly smooth kulfi at home. Trust me, you don't want to miss this super easy recipe in this summertime. Have this chilled kulfi, homemade fresh ice kulfi at home, and enjoy. That's it for today, and I hope to see you super soon. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.